You clicked this video because you want to learn how to apply fabric to your shoes in 3 minutes. Real simple, real easy. But wait, we are not getting into it until you what? Like, subscribe. Oh yeah, also leave a comment. Let me know if I'm helping you, if I helped you out. Hey y'all, let's get into it. These are the supplies you will need for this video.
Barge cement glue, fabric of your choice, X-Acto blade, fabric scissors, heat gun, and tape.
Now we don't have to prep the leather the same way we do as if we're painting with acrylic paint, but we do have to wipe it just a little bit, you know, just give it a little wipe. Give it a simple rub down with alcohol, acetone, denatured alcohol, either one. Now this part is real simple. You need tape to make your outline. Watch me do this and put it on like that. See, fold it, give it a crease. And some people use pens for outlines, but why use a pen when you got fingernails? I use my fingernails. If you don't have fingernails, use a pen. But, you know, just make an outline like this. Now, I think it's time for us to cut and make our outline with this X-Acto blade. Done, see, now we got an outline. Now we just peel off what we didn't cut. It'll come right off, easy. Guess what? Guess what, y'all? This right here goes on top of your fabric. Whatever you want to put on the shoe, you put it on and then you cut it out like this. Be mindful, you could cut this exact, but I like leaving a little space just so I can have some to tuck in. But you know, I'm just showing you my technique. You also have to improvise. And this is our cut fabric made from our outline.
Very simple, very easy. Spread your barge onto the shoe. And the same will apply to the fabric. Put it on the backside fabric and allow it to air dry so these two can mate. But wait. Grab a heat gun and heat up both layers. Do not burn your shoe. After you heat up both layers, not too hot, let them mate. Make them kiss and you put it together. Just like this. And we are all done. Everything is perfectly bonded. Make necessary cuts and adjustments so your fabric won't look all sloppy and all over the place. Now, we're about to do the same thing throughout the shoe. Thank you for watching and watch until the end so you can see what we come up with. Peace!